How do I find my IBAN and Swift code for international money transfers?
Hello there. In today's video, we'll be guiding you through the process of finding your IBAN and Swift code. These codes are essential for executing international money transfers and making sure your funds end up in the right account.
What is an IBAN and Swift code?
Before we dive into the how-to, it's essential to understand what we're looking for. The IBAN, or International Bank Account Number, is a series of alphanumeric characters that uniquely identifies your bank account. It's used primarily in Europe, but many countries around the world use it as well. The Swift code, also known as BIC, Bank Identifier Code, is another identifier used worldwide to identify individual banks. It's crucial for international wire transfers.
How to find your IBAN?
Finding your IBAN can usually be done through these methods. 1. Check your bank statement. Most banks print the IBAN of your account on your bank statements. If you receive paper statements, you can check there. 2. Online banking or mobile app. If you use online banking, you can usually find your IBAN in the account details or account information section. 3. Contact your bank. If you can't find your IBAN using the above methods, you can always contact your bank's customer service. They can provide you with this information.
How to find your Swift code?
To find your bank's Swift code: 1. Bank statement or bank's website. Some banks print their Swift code on bank statements. If not, it might be available somewhere on the bank's website. 2. Online Swift code directories. There are online directories where you can look up your bank's Swift code by entering your bank's name and country. Remember, always use trustworthy sources to avoid any potential fraud or mistakes. 3. Contact your bank. As with the IBAN, you can also contact your bank's customer service to ask for their Swift code. And there you have it. A simple and straightforward way to find your IBAN and Swift code for international money transfers. Remember, when dealing with money transfers, always double-check your details to ensure the transaction goes smoothly. If in doubt, don't hesitate to contact your bank for assistance. We hope this video has been helpful and will make your international transactions much smoother.